Hello everyone, today we are going to be making the healthy delicious Zobo drink, also known as the hibiscus flower drink. So I'm going to start by introducing the ingredient. This is already pineapple peels. For every time I make pineapple juice in my house, I usually keep the peels waiting for a day like this when I'm going to make Zobo to make use of it. So this is my pineapple peels, this is my pineapple fruit, this is my lemon, this is sugar for sweetening. You have a sweet tooth like me, and this is ginger and clove. This is the hibiscus flower, this is your cucumber, and then your pineapple. So now you guys are going to join me. Let's see how we are going to marry all of this together to make our delicious Zobo drink. Thank you. Peeling our pineapple. This pineapple I'm peeling, I kept it in my freezer, so do not mind that it's looking like this. So then I'm going to use my juicer to extract the juice and pour it into the Zobo drink. Okay guys, so after peeling my pineapple, you don't throw away your peels, so you need to use it to boil your hibiscus flower, your Zobo drink. This part is still very nutritious and it's going to add a lot of flavor, so please make sure you wash it to avoid dirt or sand from being in your drink. Everything here has been washed. Okay, you wash your cucumbers. Okay guys, so this is our ginger and cloves. We are going to add it up into the Zobo. I'm going to blend this combo together and pour it in. And then this is the lemon, so that in case of any sand, the sand is going down straight. So this washing we are doing is we just want to wash out any form of sand or dust. So these flowers can be really dusty and sandy. Alright, see the sand and the stones under. So you have to wash thoroughly to be sure that you are taking a clean Zobo drink. So we are going to throw this away. We'll repeat the same process again. Don't mind the content that is pouring out, like this color. Do not mind it. When you boil it, you will still get more. So, Okay guys, so right now our zobo should be ready. Ouch. So our zobo is ready. We'll turn off the heat and just allow it to cool, then we sieve it out. We sieve out, allow it to cool, and then we add our fresh pineapple juice and cucumber. We garnish, voila, the zobo is ready. So guys, I present to you our delicious, healthy Zobo drink. Would you be trying this recipe out? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.